So I'm on my way out the door and I completely forgot to record what the room looks like. So we're just going to show you real quick. Sorry for the mess. There's room service stuff, there's bottles, there's glasses that we brought back for our drinks. So part of the mess, but let's just show you the room real quick. It's got fancy wood door. Come on in. And you got bathroom number 1. Yes, there's 2 bathrooms in this place with a beautiful rainforest shower head. We have the dining room, living room. As you can see, we had room service already. This little living room with a day bed. We got the patio. It's very beautiful. Looks out onto the palm trees. There's a really long patio. You can enter from the living room or the bedroom. Got a TV there. Little bar area with our mini bar service and safe. Our master bedroom. It's gorgeous. And access to the patio from the bedroom. Don't you love that view? And then this is the best part, is this bathtub. It's awesome because there's a window and you can look at it out onto the patio and bedroom. Is that beautiful? We definitely took a couple baths of that. And then my bathroom, it became mine. And this cute little hallway where I took a bunch of cute selfies. And 2 closets. Actually, there's 4. There's a few closets in the beginning. That's the whole room.